Hey everyone, I am back with my final project for the Crescent Creations design team, and I have thoroughly enjoyed working with Crescent Creations digis, and this one is absolutely adorable. It's for Christmas, and it's a little train, and I love the little gingerbread man. I just kind of put him in the back of the caboose there. I thought he was adorable, and I did use colored pencils. I had covered it with my Copics, but I had gotten a little too dark, and I thought I'd just try some colored pencils, and I did the colored pencils with a blender pen, and it actually turned out really well. So this is some paper I just had in my stash that I thought I would use, kind of your kind of non-traditional Christmas colors. That green is a little bright, but I thought it turned out really cute and really sweet. But anywho, I will leave all the information in the description bar if you would like to purchase this cutie. It does come in a set. It has a little gingerbread house and the train and a few accessories, and they're really absolutely adorable. So anyway, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys again soon.